Welcome to a step-by-step guide to oyster mushroom. So they go like this. They look like leaves, but they're white. You start with your substrate, which is wheat straw in our case. You soak it for 2 hours. This is a place that you put so that it's hygienic. We are also mixing with cotton seed husk. As I am showing, I'm also adding the white powder, which is gypsum, to help with the pH of the environment. And then you pack it in plastic bags like that. You pack them and make sure they are nice and tight and firm. You have to really use a lot of force, but there are also machines that can help you do that. And you tie tightly on both ends. After that, you start packing it into your drum for the sterilization process. Put water on a third of the drum and cover up tightly. You're trying to create a pressure cooker, and then you put heat for 2 hours. After that, let it cool overnight, and then you get your seed. It looks like this is the spawn, and then you just scrape with a very sterile metal piece and put a few in the at the openings of the bags, and then you seal with either a rubber band or a string on top like that. And then after that, always ensure that you have good spawn to begin with to reduce infection. After that, you place them in the incubation house and let them rest for around 4 weeks. This is the time now you open up the windows or you move them into the fruiting house and you allow them to fruit. This is how it looks. Ensure to maintain 3 aspects of mushroom farming. This is aeration, temperature, and hydration. Ensure that the room has enough water so that the mushrooms can absorb from the environment. You can also spray once in the morning or in the evening to encourage high humidity in the air. After that, you harvest and you put them in pannets like that. Put in pannets of 1,000 grams and seal with cling film as it's being demonstrated. Ensure that the cling film is nice and tight because the market likes them stretched. Always harvest on the same day that you're going to market because mushrooms are highly perishable. Remember to factor in all these small things like punnets and cling film, since they are consumable in the mushroom business. Mushrooms can stay in the fridge for around 7 days, and you can also value add by drying them in the sun or in an electric dryer and sold as granules or ground into powder to be added to food or to make mushroom soup. After you have your punnets nice and ready, it's time to deliver them in the market. For us, we take them to Naivas supermarket as demonstrated here, and you can see the price. It's quite good.